everybody, it's me, Gus, and actually it's the first day of being in KingJaiTV, so I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, we're going a surprise bag, and Dinah's didn't know I'm right here. Oh, hi. Anyway, we're gonna start the video right now. It's the second video of KingJaiTV on YouTube. Gus, you want to do something? Yeah, I planned a surprise bag for us. I'll be right back to get it. Oh, wait, Gus is weird. If we get 100 subscribers, I don't have 100 hands, so if we get 100 subscribers, we can make merch. We found the bag. Hooray! Okay, let's open it. What's this? I don't know. I'll help you. Wait a minute. Why is there a picture of Gus in here? I drew that. Let's just get the surprise toy out. Ooh, a Lego Technic race truck. This is the Lego Technic car and race car because 2 in 1. That's pretty cool. Let's see the back. Yeah, I see the back there. Oh yeah, you can even build your own finish line, I'm pretty sure. And oh yeah, if you pull it back, like one of those little toy cars, because if you pull it back, it goes forward. Like I used to have those cars when I was little. No joke. As I told you, it's 2 in 1, so this actually flips open. And the door also opens. And so it's a truck to a race car. I'm pretty sure that's a truck. I don't know. I'm not an auto expert, but I know what trucks are. I'm pretty sure you've seen a truck before, right? I have no idea what a truck is. How do you know what a truck is when you see it right there? I don't know. Let's just open it. I was trying to use scissors to open these, but this time we're going to use our teeth. Actually, let's not use your teeth because coronavirus is going on. Oh, look at that. We didn't even need to use our teeth. And now we open it. So these are all the pieces from the Lego Technic race car. So we take this piece. I'm pretty sure Gus is probably going to do a voice changer. There he is. Gus, what are you doing? Oh. Even with 2, it literally comes out when I have 1 hand. I don't know why, but. Wait, can we get that in slow motion? Wow! No, I don't know what to do. It doesn't even show me. Oh! I know what to do now. You turn this around. There's your backwards. So I kind of sped it up a little bit. This is what I have so far. And still trying to figure this out. Oh, got it. So I think we put this in first. Yep, there we go. I got it right. Yay! That was actually right. Perfectly right. It's just taking a while. I organized all of these pieces to make it quicker so we don't have an hour-long video. So I organized it like color and pieces. Like these are all the same, so are these and stuff. Like I don't really know how to say it, but and I put the tires over here. I put the tires over here. You can see the tires right here from big to small. Okay, let's keep building. Okay, kids, this is the car that we have so far, and I'm pretty sure it's looking awesome. We're finally done with the truck. This is the truck. Watch this. We need to build a finish line here. We're done! Okay, so this is the finish line. It's not that much, but you can like see it from here. Okay, pretend this is a mansion. Sorry guys, I'm still getting used to driving in a mansion and driving. There you have it, fans, the Lego Technic truck. The next episode we're gonna do the car, because there's a truck and a car since it's 2 in 1. That was the Lego Technic car. So make sure you subscribe.